here at PTP Gun, and today we're going to go over the disassembly and reassembly of this Smith Wesson SDVE 40VE. The first step of taking apart any firearm is going to be to double check and make sure that the firearm is unloaded. So we'll go ahead, drop the magazine, get that out of the way, and we're going to go ahead and pull the slide back and lock it to the rear. All right, and we'll do that by hitting the slide catch up into the bottom of the slide. All right. From there, double check, chamber is clear, magazine as well is clear, and we are good to go ahead and disassemble this firearm. We'll go ahead and pull the slide back and let go. And from here, this firearm takes actually apart very similar to the Glocks, right? In that we need to pull the slide back a little bit. Right? We need to take the takedown pin from both sides, and we need to pull it down, and then we need to release the slide forward after we've pulled our trigger. So what I'm actually going to do first, I'm actually going to pull the trigger first. Right? I'm going to pull back a little bit. I'm grabbing these pieces. I'm grabbing this piece from both sides. What I do is I grab my thumb on this side, my middle finger on this side. Right? And when I bring the slide back just a little bit, middle finger here, thumb over here, pull down, and release the slide forward. All right, another way to do that also is to pull the trigger, nose of the gun into the table, press down. You can go from the top or from the bottom, but for video purposes, I'm going to show you from the top. And when I'm a middle finger on this side, thumb on the other side, I'm going to press down, and then lift up on the frame. All right. From there, we have our frame. We have our spring and spring guide. We have our barrel, and we have our slide. All right, so this is a field stripped SDVE. All right. So we have our slide, our barrel, our spring and spring guide, as well as our frame. To put it back together, once we've cleaned our firearm, because at this point you can clean your firearm, maintain it, do a lot of things you might need to do periodically. From here, we're going to go ahead and reassemble this firearm. So we're going to put our slide back upside down. Right? I'm going to drop my barrel in, muzzle first. I have my barrel in, my spring and spring guide. Right? I'm going to turn this back upside down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to match up these notches that are cut out in the back of the slide and these rails on the frame that start about a fourth of the way back, match those up. I'm going to pull back all the way and let go. Simple as that. All right. Do a function check. I'm going to pull the trigger. All right. Pull the slide back a few times. Pull the trigger. All right. Reintroduce my magazine. Pull back. It'll lock back by itself. All right. And from there, we have now disassembled and reassembled the Smith Wesson SDVE 40VE. For more videos on how to clean your firearm, whether rifles, pistols, shotguns, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, be sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more upcoming news, videos, and blog articles. Thank you all again. Stay safe and remember to train to survive.